thanks to a torn meniscus, Cadence is off her feet for a while. She's going to be running the camera and the tractor for us.
What do you think of my idea to make sure the camera picks me up?
It's not bad.
I mean, it's not the stupidest idea I've ever had.
Fair. I can set it right there, too.
And it adds a little bit of character to the shot, I think.
Real shit.
I should probably quit screwing around and get this tree fell, huh?
Real shit.
Okay. And everybody gets to see me fall a tree with a cordless chainsaw.
I'm crippled. I literally can't hit the goodie.
Oh, you twat wall.
You know, that came dangerously close to that stick.
In the stick that may or may not be a lilac bush? Yeah, well.
Not that stick. The one that's attached to the fence post.
Oh, well, yeah. It was growing in 3 different directions, okay? I knew going in it was going to be a pain in the ass.
Isn't he just so majestic?
Got to teach Katie how to run the boom since her knee's all boogered up. Pull ahead.
Ahead?
Just a little. Okay. Well. Well. Stop. Now. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Freaking cable is right where I need to run. Oh well.
That's not an armor.
Now we gotta figure out what the hell we're gonna do with it since the cutting table is full. Well, anyway, you stay there, man. I want to go fart around with.
Where else would I go?
Mm-hmm.
I can't run away.
Actually, if you want to see how this part of it actually works, you can get off the book.
I've actually seen it pretty well.
At this point, you actually can, as long as you can still steer, you actually can go pretty much anywhere you want.
Yes, I can.
Okay, let's see if I can rearrange this pile a little.
be careful. You're still recovering from your surgery.
I know I'm still recovering from my surgery, and I have every intention of being careful. Do you think I like being in pain? I don't know.
Oh, that doesn't look that bad.
Huh?
Doesn't look that bad. Some of those logs are really long.
Well, because I don't cut them according to length. I cut them according to weight.
That's fair.
We got to set that down and re-grab it though before you can put it up here. Alright, that'll do it. Okay, so now the way this works is you watch the log as you're backing up. Okay. Still steer with the steering wheel and shit. Okay.
How else do you want me to steer?
You're gonna back in, basically back all the way in until you hit this, and then just set your log down. Okay?
Are you good with helping me?
Or do you want me to show you how to do it?
Yes.
Okay, get off. Thumb needs to be on the spool out button as you're pulling ahead. Okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, you can really poo-bar yourself.
Okay, let me switch that stick.
I knew where the tree was. Pull ahead. Yeah, that didn't at all look suggestive.
Hold on.
Over here.
Distracted.
I'm over here. Up. That's good. Back. Coming. Stop. Land it. Go ahead. Good.
I did it.
Yep, you landed a log. See, it's not
I
that
didn't
bad.
even touch the tree.
It's not that bad, is it?
Unless you forget which way's which when we're trying to steer.
I can't fix stupid. See what I mean? That's what straight on the front tires. it goes like that one did, when I hit the end of the chain, the stump will go flying.
Well, then I'm just gonna...
Retreat to a safe distance. I don't blame you. What is it?
A roly-poly.
Oh, Jesus.
What?
Yeah. Trying to decide if there's another one out here that I think I can get. Of course, I spun a tire on that one, so I better just quit. So, I know it's been a couple of months. At least a month. Who the hell's keeping track? Still not unconvinced that climate change isn't making the world blurry. However, the fact that I have type 2 diabetes probably isn't doing my eyesight any favors. I think I've shown you guys this in an earlier video. At least I know I meant to.